One of Blender's greatest strengths is its rendering capability, allowing you to create stunning visual presentations of your furniture designs. While we'll focus on the basics, remember that numerous free advanced tutorials are available on YouTube for more complex rendering techniques. Begin by adding your cabinet designs to the scene. For cleaner visualization, hide measurement indicators by clicking the measurement toggle or pressing the M key on your keyboard. These technical elements, while essential for production, don't enhance your visual presentation. Expand the Assets panel and switch your viewport to Material Preview mode to see real-time updates as you apply materials. Select materials that match your design vision and simply drag and drop them onto the appropriate boards. When working with wooden patterns rather than solid colors, you might encounter inconsistent texturing where some boards show the pattern while others don't. This happens because of UV unwrapping, the process of mapping 2D textures onto 3D objects. Even though a cabinet board appears simple, it actually contains numerous cuts for rebates, Gola profiles, and other features that affect texture mapping. For a quick solution, return to Layout View, click Fit Texture. The texture will properly appear on all surfaces. For more control over texture appearance, access the UV editing workspace where you can. Scale the texture by pressing S and moving your mouse. Move the texture with G to select different parts of the grain pattern. Select individual faces to apply specific parts of the texture pattern. Rotate textures with R to change grain direction. After adjusting, return to layout mode and fit textures to other boards as needed. As with photography, the key to creating impressive renderings lies in lighting and composition. Find an angle that showcases your design effectively. Go to View, align active camera to View, or press CTRL play Alt numpad 0. Ensure you have a camera in your scene at one with Shift plus NA if needed. Note that the numpad 0 key is distinct from the regular 0 key. The shortcut requires the numpad version specifically. With these fundamentals, you'll be able to create professional renderings that showcase your furniture designs effectively. Blender's quick menu, activated by pressing the Q key, is a powerful time saver. Customize it by right-clicking any frequently used action and selecting Add to Quick Menu. These actions become instantly accessible whenever you press Q. If you no longer need a particular item, simply right-click it in the Quick Menu and select Remove from Quick Menu. For presentation quality renders, go to View and select Camera to View. This allows slight angle adjustments by moving the mouse toggle between Camera View and Modeling View. Using the View selector, use numpad 0 as a shortcut to switch between views. Blender offers two primary rendering engines. EEVEE, much faster, great for quick previews and iteration cycles. More realistic lighting and shadows but requires more processing time. Switch to rendered mode by clicking the Render Mode selector to see a real-time preview of your final output. Lighting dramatically impacts the mood and realism of your furniture visualization. Point lights add a point light to create initial illumination. Duplicate lights, Shift plus D, and position them strategically. Adjust intensity and type to create different moods. Experiment with placement to highlight key design features. HDRI environment lighting. For more natural, evenly distributed lighting, use HDRI textures. Delete any existing lights. Visit polyhaven.com to download free high-quality HDRI images. Apply them by going to World, Color, Texture, Environment Texture. Open when satisfied with your composition and lighting. Go to Camera View. Select Render, Render Image. Allow processing time varies based on complexity and render engine. Save the final image when complete. Enhance the realism of your renders by adding contextual elements. Plumbing fixtures, sink oven, cooktop wall surfaces, floor tiles. These elements provide scale reference and help viewers imagine the furniture in a real environment. Creating mood with light strips for dramatic lighting effects. Add light strip elements. Note these work best in cycles. Experiment with positioning to highlight key design features. Adjust intensity and color to create the desired atmosphere. Light strips can simulate LED cabinet lighting and will even function in interactive web publications. allowing clients to visualize lighting effects in browser-based 3D models. Blender offers extensive customization through render engine settings, advanced lighting techniques, background options, camera settings. If you enjoy photography or visual presentation, exploring Blender's rendering capabilities will allow you to create increasingly professional furniture visualizations. This concludes the basics of rendering, providing you with a foundation to create compelling visual presentations of your furniture designs.